Hi, today I'm making a very simple citrus curd using my abundance of zucchini. It's just like lemon curd, but I've used a mixture of oranges and lemons. So for this recipe, you will either need marrow or zucchini, whatever you want to use. I've skinned and chopped. I've put in a pan, covered with water, just covered with water. Bringing it up to the boil. I'm going to simmer it until it's all soft. I've grated the rind off of the fruits and also juiced them, so that's ready to go. So the entire recipe is 2 kilos of marrow or zucchini, the juice and rind of 6 lemons or equivalent, 8 ounces of butter, but I've got olive oil spread butter. And the recipe says about 750 grams of sugar. That's roughly between 24 and 28 ounces of sugar. You can use marrow, pumpkin, or overgrown zucchinis for this. So that's what I'm going with. I have peeled them, but then I have used the peel in with some other zucchinis to make some flour. I've got that dehydrating at the moment to make some flour, so it wasn't wasted. So I strained off the zucchini, squished out a bit of the water, put it back in the pan and added all the other ingredients. I thought I had the camera running, but I didn't. But that's as simple as that. That's all I've done. And then we will bring it up to a boil and then turn it down and simmer to a medium thickness. When I was making my orange curd or citrus curd yesterday, I hadn't realised that my mic wasn't working at the end of the video, and obviously the little bit was in the phone, the receptor, so you couldn't hear what I was saying at all. So I will tell you what I did, and then the little bit of the video will play and then it'll just finish. So basically, after I cooked the courgettes down and strained them off, I put everything in together. I just brought it up to the nearly a boiling point and then turned it right down and simmered it about 35 minutes in total. I put a plate in the fridge, and I did sort of like the plate test every so often, just to see how thick it was. It thickens up more when it cools. To me, it looks more like and tastes more like a really nice marmalade rather than a curd. So I got my plate out of the freezer. Again, I put some on there, popped it back in the freezer for a couple of minutes. Good. So a lot of the recipes that I use, How to Make Jams and Pickles by Cyril Grange. But I've got a small amount of fresh bread left, so it'd be rude not to try it. It's a nice consistency. I'd say it's thickened by 2. I don't know if that's the right way to describe it, but it has definitely thickened to a perfect spreadable consistency. Oh wow, That's nice. I like it with the oranges and the lemons. That's really nice as well. The understated courgette has done us proud. That's for sure. I hope you found this video enjoyable, informative. Please give it a go. You will definitely not be disappointed. Thank you to everybody who has continued to watch and support the channel. Till next time, bye.